Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and we're going to be doing a Lazy Man recipe today. But before we do, I just want to let you know that we've been moving some products around. The Jamaican jerk and the hot barbecue is now back on our website. All the products are on our website. But if you're on Amazon Prime, you can only get barbecue and teriyaki, which is going really well. So we're just leaving them there. So we're going to hang out at Amazon Prime for barbecue and teriyaki. And we thank you guys for your business. And yes, seasoning is coming. So be ready for that. But for right now, it is a very special Lazy Man Keto Cream Cheese Fudge. Okay, when I say lazy man, I mean lazy. I mean like no work at all. Look how little it is. We have very simple ingredients. I'm using Swerve today. You can use Splenda or any of your favorite sweeteners. You got one whole thing of cream cheese. You can use Baker's baking chocolate. There's butter and vanilla. Okay, so we're going to melt the butter and melt the chocolate together. You don't want to scald the chocolate. So if you feel safer doing it in a little tiny double boiler, it's not a lot of butter and not a lot of chocolate. I'm going to do it in the microwave. Do what you want. If you do it in the microwave, every few seconds stir it so that the chocolate doesn't scald. Okay, now that it's been heated in the microwave, it's just liquid right now, chocolate and butter, or the unsweetened chocolate. Take your sweetener and dump that in. Take your vanilla, put your vanilla in. Mix that up. There you go. And then you're going to take your cream cheese and mix that in for 2 minutes on slow. That's going to be a tough one, so let's try and get it done here. Fill a bread pan, the bottom of a bread pan, just let it cool in there. I've got this. You can use any pan you want and see how it goes. And here's how it looks in my bread pan. It's just coating the bottom, about an inch worth of batter. And we're gonna throw this in the freezer and let that freeze overnight. Go ahead and make it nice and smooth. So I wanna be honest with you, before we pull the fudge out of the freezer, I wanna be honest with you and tell you, have you ever noticed that one of the goals when you're trying to stay away from a certain type of food is to duplicate that food, create a fake version, and that's what I've done. I've created a fake fudge with chocolate flavoring in it, okay? So like, for example, people who are staying away from meat, they try and make soybean-based meatballs, soybean-based meat. People who are trying to stay away from sugar and stuff, they try and make keto donuts, and it always seems like that's the big battle. So that's kind of what we're doing today, even though I'm not a big fan of, if you're trying to stay away from something, just stay away from it. That's what I'm saying, okay? So let's go get the fudge out of the freezer and see if it worked. If it's any good, if it tastes fake, we'll check it out right now. Look, everybody, it's frozen. Check it out. See, it's not moving at all. It froze overnight, so we're gonna get it out of the foil and then we'll cut it up and then we'll try it out, okay? So there you go, I got a piece. And just be careful cutting it because it's frozen. I don't want you slipping with the knife and cutting your hand or anything, okay? It looks like it has a fudgy looking consistency. Let's give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. It's not dead on fudge, but it's very fudgy-like, it's very sweet, it's very chocolatey, and it takes care of the craving you have like right after dinner when you want a little something sweet. This is it. Cut it up into cubes. Get all fancy with it because there's a lot of ladies out there that are watching that know what I'm talking about, how to make this look beautiful. And just grab a square and just eat it like that, all right? I love you guys. Try out this Lazy Man recipe and let me know what you think. It's very close to more like a frozen chocolate ice cream. That's honestly what it tastes like, all right? I love you. Take care.